I was sitting at home one day and I was cleaning up my tiny little shoebox apartment, thinking how I wished it was a big house. But I knew that the credit score that I had wasn't going to take me there. So I actually reached out to an individual about credit restoration because it was really important for me to accomplish my goal, right? And actually within my first 27 days of being a part of this amazing information, I was able to have 3 student loans that were removed from my credit report, as well as a repossession and an old gas bill that went into collections on me. All 5 of those items came off within 27 days. My score went up 80 points, and I was really excited about that. I had never even understood that my score could get as high as it got. But it's some definitely valuable information that you want to partake in if you have some goals that you're trying to accomplish.
These came in the mail for me. My dispute results. See right there where it says Department of Education. That's a student loan. You see what it says? Deleted. Student loan deleted. Student loan deleted. Student loan deleted. Old utility bill deleted. And this isn't no one else's results. These are my personal results. My results.